Jamie at shopmasc.com, and welcome to another MASC Minute. So it is still the middle of winter in Vancouver, Canada, but the sun is shining today, so it got me thinking about sunscreen, and I thought I would do a video today on one of our brands that makes several different sunscreen products. That brand is called Salt & Stone. I have a few of their products here. I have the SPF 50, the SPF 30, and the SPF 50 stick. So Salt & Stone is a brand based out of California. Their products are water resistant, reef safe, cruelty free, made in the US mostly. I think some of the products are made in Australia actually, and I think the Aussies know a thing or two about the sun. And these sunscreen products are physical sunscreens, not chemical sunscreens. So the difference between the two is that a physical sunscreen reflects light off your skin, whereas a chemical sunscreen absorbs the light. They're also non-nano, meaning that the sunscreen component is a certain size, meaning that it's not super small. Nanoparticles are very tiny. It's just a slightly safer alternative to nanoparticle sunscreens. Yeah, so I'll show you the difference between the three. The SPF 30, this one has a little bit of scent to it. It's got some cacao seed butter. All the products, in addition to the sunscreen component, contain ingredients that are actually good and nourishing for your skin. So cacao seed butter, vitamin E in the SPF 30. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's white like most sunscreens are, but it does absorb really nicely into the skin. So once you rub it in, it pretty much disappears entirely. And then I'll show you the SPF 50. Much higher sunscreen factor there. It is a bit wider, but it does absorb fairly well. I wouldn't say 100% invisible, but this is not something I would necessarily use on a daily basis. This would be more for like at the beach. And this one contains some hyaluronic acid, some rosehip oil, some avocado. So that was a fairly large amount. You can sort of see there's a little bit of a white tint on my skin, but nothing crazy. And then last but not least, the stick. So this is a tinted stick. There is an untinted one coming soon, I believe. So it gives just a little bit of color to your skin. Nothing crazy, it's not like makeup or anything. And it contains carnauba wax, which is what gives it that water resistant component. Also some sunflower oil. And you can sort of see it's got a little bit of color, but not too much. So this would be a great thing for like if you're playing a sport outside, that sort of thing, and it's nice and compact and portable. So if you are dreaming of summer like I am, or if you're going on a nice tropical vacation and looking for a good, natural, environmentally friendly sunscreen, check them out, Salt & Stone on shopmasc.com. And of course, if you're in Vancouver, you can see them in the store too. Thanks for listening.